Hey art friends, today we are going to draw a cute fall cabin.
And here's what our drawings look like at the very end. We hope you're really excited to follow along with us.
Yeah, this is my new fall favorite.
Yeah, we're using our markers to draw and color with, but you could use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw the ground down here at the bottom. We're going to draw a curve going up and back down. Then we can draw little bushes. Let's draw some bumpy lines. I'm going to draw one over here. That looks like a cloud. And I'm going to draw another one over here. We'll leave a little space so that we can have the walkway for the cabin, the front door and the walkway. Yeah, okay, now let's build our cabin. We're going to draw a line coming up right here. I'm going to draw it right here. And then we'll draw the same length line over here. Then we can make it more 3D. Let's draw another line right here. Yes. Okay, now let's draw a upside down letter V to connect these two lines together. Then we're going to connect across for the roof. And we could also draw a little diagonal line coming up to the left on this side and going up to the right on this side. Then we're going to make our roof a little more thicker. We're going to draw another upside down letter V here. Yes. And then we'll go across and connect here. Then we're going to use our eyes to measure this length, and we're going to put that same length up here. It's okay if it's a little longer or shorter. But then we'll connect from here to the top. Well, it's a small little cabin. It looks a little short too this way. Okay, let's add some details to turn it into a cabin. We're going to draw the front door. I'm going to draw it a little more over here to the right so that it's right underneath the peak right here. So it's right in the center. Then we can draw a window. I'm going to draw a square here and another square over here. If we go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, and you can also pause if you want to add more things or different things than what we're adding. We could also add a second story. I'm going to add another square right here in the middle. And let's draw two rectangles here. So these would be squares, but because they're on the side of the cabin, they're squished this way. Yes, okay, now let's add details, more details. A doorknob, and then let's add panes or divide the windows up. We'll add a plus inside each window, and also the side windows too. On the back of the house, let's add a chimney. We can first draw an upside down letter U. But it's a square letter U. It looks like a rectangle shape. And then we can draw the side of the chimney so that it's 3D. Okay, what else should we add to our drawing?
Some trees.
Some trees. Oh yeah, let's do it. Let's draw one right here next to the side of the house. We can even just, part of it's behind the house. We'll just come up like this. Let's draw it all the way up, and then we'll just draw the branches coming off. So we'll try to keep it simple. And then we're going to leave a point at the top, and then we'll come back down. It's a sharp tree. Okay, now let's add the branches. We could draw a curve and coming back down for one branch. And we could also draw these branches straight. They don't have to be curved. And you could add more or less branches on yours. You don't have to do it the same as us. So I went a little faster because we're just repeating the same step. And then we can also add other smaller branches coming off of the big branches. And maybe one on this side too. Okay, let's repeat those same steps over here for another tree on this side. I'm going to draw it right next to the house, and it could be the same height, or it could be shorter or taller. It's up to you. And we'll come back down so it's sharp. That's the trunk. And then we can add those branches. I'm going to draw one on this side, draw one on the other side. And I kind of alternate, so one here, and then on the other. And then we could do one at the very top. Okay, you could leave the leaves off, but I want to color the leaves fall colors. So let's add the leaves. And we're going to keep it simple by just drawing a big cloud line that goes all the way around the branches that we just drew. Yeah, and then let's do the same with this tree. Big cloud line, and then connect to the trunk. We could also draw smaller trees off in the distance, so it's further in the background. So we can draw a short one here, and maybe a little taller, and then we can draw little branches coming off that one. And then we can draw a cloud line too, but I'm gonna stop there. So it goes behind the tree and looks 3D. Yeah, and over here, if we want, we could just draw a bush or a tree that doesn't have a trunk. And I'm gonna draw another one over here. I'm gonna extend this ground out further and then add another bush so it looks more 3D too. And then same thing over here. Awesome. Oh, and maybe a tree back here. What else should we add?
How about some smoke from the chimney?
Oh yeah, somebody's home and they have a fire going. I'm gonna just draw a wiggly line. I'm gonna draw it different so it doesn't look like a cloud line. That way it's different than our trees. And then we can curve around. And then when we get to the chimney, I'm gonna get a little closer. Yeah, okay, and also we could draw the walkway that's going up to the front door. I'm gonna draw an S-curve. And then on this side, I'm gonna draw the S-curve, but watch this, we're gonna get a little further away towards the bottom. So it starts closer together and then further away. And then that'll make it look like we could jump into our drawing and go to the cabin.
I love it.
Okay, but we still need to
Color it.
yes, this part will fast forward, and at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring, but
You can color it any way you want.
yes. All right, you ready to fast forward?
Yes.
All right, we did it. We finished coloring our drawings and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, I hope our art friends will color their drawings too.
Yeah, you can pause the video and match our coloring.
Or color it differently.
Yeah, and you don't have to use markers. You could use colored pencils or even crayons.
You could also add more things like leaves.
Yeah, and you could also finish your drawing by adding clouds and maybe even more trees.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a fall cabin.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.